Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our amazing community. We have some very exciting and special news for you today. First of all, thank you so much for being with us during this time. Your support, your messages, and your encouragement meant a lot to us. And now we are very happy to announce new season of our podcast is officially starting. In this new season, we are bringing fresh conversations, new ideas, and inspiring discussions to help you grow and learn every day. And we are also excited to introduce two amazing voices in our podcast studio, Steve and Sophia. They will be joining us in many episodes to share great discussions, useful tips, and interesting stories with you. So get ready for new episodes, exciting topics, and powerful conversations right here in our podcast studio.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the English Fluent podcast. It feels so good to sit here and talk with you again.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here today. Seriously, thank you so much for being part of this community.
Absolutely. Whether you're listening while walking, driving, or just relaxing at home, we appreciate you. Really.
Yes, and before we begin, just a small reminder. If you enjoy these conversations, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Exactly. It helps the channel grow, and it helps more learners feel confident speaking English.
And we also love reading your thoughts. So at any moment during this episode or after you finish listening, go to the comments and write one sentence about how you're feeling today.
Not just, I'm fine. Something real. Something honest.
Yes, that's actually a good question to start with. How are you feeling right now?
Take a small moment. Don't rush. Maybe you feel calm. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel excited. Or maybe a little stressed.
Oh, wow. Sometimes we don't even stop to think about it, right?
Exactly. We answer automatically. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. But today we want to slow down.
Yes, today's conversation is about something very human, very real, and so important for fluency. We're talking about feelings.
And this topic is special because English is not only grammar. It's not only vocabulary lists. It's not only perfect pronunciation. It's connection.
Absolutely. And connection starts when we express how we truly feel.
So as you listen, relax. There's no pressure, no stress. Just two people having a calm, clear conversation and inviting you to be part of it.
Yes. Imagine we're all sitting together having coffee and talking slowly.
I like that image. Warm, comfortable, natural.
So stay with us, breathe, and let's explore feelings in English together.
You know, Sophia, when people talk about fluency, they usually talk about grammar.
Yes, that's true. Verb tenses, prepositions, pronunciation.
Exactly. And of course, those things are important, but there's something even more important.
Connection?
Yes, connection. Because in real life, conversations are not just about information, they're about emotions.
Oh, wow, that's so true. When someone asks you, "How was your day?" they don't just want facts. They want to know how you felt.
Exactly. You could say, I worked 8 hours. That's information. But if you say, I felt exhausted after work, now we understand you better.
Right? Or instead of saying, "The meeting was long," you can say, "I felt nervous during the meeting." That changes everything.
Absolutely. Feelings make your English alive. Without emotions, language feels robotic.
Yes, and I think many learners focus so much on speaking correctly that they forget to speak honestly.
That's powerful. Speak honestly. Because when you express a real feeling, people listen differently.
Yes, if you say, "I'm fine," the conversation usually stops. But if you say, "I'm a little overwhelmed today," the other person might say, "Oh, what happened?"
Exactly. Feelings open the door to deeper conversations.
And that's why emotional vocabulary is part of fluency. Not extra, not advanced, essential.
I love that word, essential. Because think about it. How many times per day do we talk about feelings? A lot.
Yes, with friends, family, coworkers, even small conversations include emotions. I'm excited for the weekend. I'm stressed about exams. I'm proud of my progress.
And when you can say those sentences slowly, clearly, and naturally, you feel more confident.
Absolutely. Confidence grows when you can express what's inside you.
So maybe fluency is not about speaking fast. Maybe it's about expressing yourself clearly and sincerely.
Oh, wow, I like that. Clear and sincere.
Yes, and today we're helping you build that skill.
Steve, can I be honest?
Of course.
I think many English learners know a lot of words, but when it comes to feelings, they only use a few.
Yes. Let me guess. Happy, sad, angry, tired, fine.
Yes, those 5 words are used so often.
And they're not wrong, but they're very general, very basic.
Right. For example, tired. There are many types of tired. You can feel exhausted, you can feel drained, you can feel sleepy, you can feel mentally tired.
Oh, wow, that's true. Drained feels deeper, like your energy is completely gone.
Yes, and instead of sad, you could say disappointed or discouraged or heartbroken. Each one has a slightly different meaning.
Exactly. When you use more specific words, your English becomes more expressive, more natural.
Yes, and I think many learners sometimes feel afraid. They think, what if I use the wrong word?
Yes, that fear is really common. But the truth is, even native speakers don't always choose the perfect word. And that's okay.
Absolutely. Communication is not about perfection, it's about clarity.
Yes. If you say, I feel a little overwhelmed, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, people understand your emotion.
And that builds confidence because you're not hiding behind I'm fine. You're expressing something real.
Exactly. I'm fine is safe, but it's limited.
That's so true. Sometimes I'm fine actually means I'm stressed, I'm upset, I'm confused, but we don't say it.
Right. So maybe the problem isn't grammar. Maybe it's emotional vocabulary.
Oh, wow. Yes. And the good news is you can improve it step by step, slowly, naturally.
Absolutely. Just by noticing your feelings and learning 1 or 2 new words each week. That's enough.
And speaking them out loud. That part is important.
Yes, because fluency grows when you use the words, not just read them. You know something interesting about emotions?
What?
We rarely feel just one thing.
Oh, wow. Yes, that's so true. Life is not simple. Emotions are not simple.
Exactly. You can feel excited and nervous, happy and tired, proud and insecure.
Absolutely. And when you express mixed feelings in English, you sound very natural, very human.
Right. For example, you can say, I'm excited about my new job, but I'm also a little anxious. That sounds real.
Yes, or I feel proud of myself, but I'm still kind of nervous about the future. That feels honest.
It does. And notice something important. We often use small, soft words. A little, kind of, slightly. These words make your English softer and more natural.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I'm nervous, you can say, I'm a little nervous. It sounds calmer, more conversational.
Absolutely. Or instead of, I'm angry, you might say, I'm a bit frustrated. That feels more precise.
I like that word, precise, because emotions have different levels.
Yes, And when you combine feelings, you show emotional depth. For example, I'm tired, but I'm satisfied with my progress.
Oh, wow. That's a beautiful sentence.
Thank you. But really, that's real life. We don't live in extremes all the time.
Right? You can feel grateful, but stressed. Calm, but slightly worried. Confident, but still learning.
Exactly. And expressing these combinations helps you think in English emotionally, not just translate from your language.
That's powerful. Because when you stop translating and start feeling in English, that's when fluency becomes natural.
Absolutely. So here's something simple you can try. Think about something happening this week. Now say, I feel blank about it, but I also feel blank.
Take your time, don't rush. Speak slowly. Let the words come naturally.
Yes, fluency is not speed. It's clarity. It's sincerity.
I love that. Steve, I think some listeners might be thinking, this sounds good, but how do I practice this every day?
Yes, that's a very good question. Because understanding is one thing, practice is another.
Exactly. So let's make it simple. Very simple. Every morning, ask yourself one question. How do I feel today?
And answer in one full sentence. Not one word, a full sentence.
For example, I feel a little tired today because I slept late. Or, I feel excited today because I'm starting something new.
Yes, and say it out loud. That part is important. Your brain connects emotion and language when you speak.
Absolutely. And at night, you can ask another question. How did I feel today?
Maybe you say, I felt stressed in the morning, but relaxed in the evening. See? Mixed emotions again.
Exactly. And the more you do this, the more natural it becomes. You won't need to search for words. They will come automatically.
Yes, and don't try to use difficult vocabulary. Start simple, clear, honest.
Right. Instead of trying to sound impressive, focus on sounding real.
Absolutely. And here's something beautiful. When you can express your feelings clearly in English, you don't just improve your language, you improve your confidence.
Oh, wow, yes. Because language is connected to identity. When you can say what you truly feel, you feel stronger.
Exactly. So small daily practice. One question in the morning, one reflection at night. Slow, clear, consistent.
And if you want, you can even write it in a notebook. Just 1 or 2 sentences. That's enough.
Absolutely. Little steps every day create big progress. This was a beautiful conversation. Simple, but powerful.
Yes, really powerful. Talking about feelings might seem small, but it changes everything.
Absolutely. Because when you can say, I feel nervous, I feel proud, I feel a little overwhelmed, you are not just speaking English, you are expressing yourself.
Exactly. And that is real fluency. Not speed, not perfection, but honesty.
So, before we finish, let's pause for a moment. Ask yourself one more time, how do I feel right now?
And this time, try to answer with a full sentence, maybe even 2. Slowly, clearly.
And if you feel comfortable, write it in the comments below. Start with, today I feel blank because blank.
We would absolutely love to read your thoughts.
Yes, seriously, your comments make this community alive. And if this episode helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who needs a little confidence boost in English.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate you.
Yes. Thank you for listening, for learning, and for growing with us.
Keep practicing, keep expressing, and remember, your feelings matter in every language.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep speaking slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.